Xiaomi has officially unveiled the Xiaomi 15 Ultra, its latest flagship smartphone, at an event in China. The device brings cutting-edge specifications, including a high-resolution AMOLED display, Qualcomm's most powerful chipset, Leica-tuned cameras, and industry-leading satellite communication features. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra features a 6.73-inch 2K LTPO OLED display with a peak brightness of 3,200 nits, ensuring excellent visibility in bright outdoor conditions. The TCL C9 panel supports 120Hz adaptive refresh rate, HDR10+, and Dolby Vision, delivering smooth visuals and vibrant colors. It also incorporates 1920Hz PWM dimming and Xiaomi Ceramic Glass 2.0 protection for enhanced durability. Xiaomi 15 Ultra is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, offering enhanced performance and efficiency. It is paired with up to 16GB of LPDDR5 RAM and up to 1 TB of UFS 4.1 storage. The device also features a dual-channel vapor-liquid separation cooling system, ensuring sustained peak performance during intense usage. Running on Xiaomi HyperOS 2.0, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra offers a smooth and intuitive user experience. The quad-camera setup features a 50-megapixel main sensor, 1-inch type, with OIS, a 50-megapixel telephoto lens, 3.2x optical zoom, a 200-megapixel periscope telephoto, 4.x optical zoom, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a TOF 3D depth sensor. It supports 8K 4K video recording, Dolby Vision HDR, and Leica optics. The 32-megapixel selfie camera records 4K at 60 FPS. IT also has a UIS stabilization system that ensures steady footage with horizon-level correction, enabling smooth and professional video capture. The smartphone houses a 6,000 mAh battery and supports 90-watt wired fast charging and 80-watt wireless fast charging. The device also enables reverse wireless charging, allowing users to charge accessories like earbuds on the go. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra is the first smartphone to support direct satellite data communication, enabling off-grid calls via Starlink and Tiantong satellites with a 7km two-way range. It also features an in-display ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6.0, an infrared sensor, and IP68 water and dust resistance. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.